Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to join a Telegram group in 2025. So the difference between a group and a channel. In the channel, it's only the members that can send messages. So if you want to join a new Telegram group, just come over here and then search for that group. For this case, I'll search for football group. So once you search for football group, you then wait for it to start loading up, or you can choose to search for anything. So let me just put football. All right, so as you can see, if I want, I can come and then search for the channels. And then for this case, they'll bring up a list of those channels that are available. So for this case, it seems like there are no channels available, but take an example of this channel over here. It's a channel that is used to buy and sell goods. So if I want someone to join this channel, I'll copy this link over here. Then after copying it, I'll just come and paste it to someone, maybe this person here, and I send her the link. And then she'll just tap in the link and she'll join the channel immediately.